Hello everybody, back with another video. It's early morning. Yeah, I know I've been on since I made a video. Dealing with a lot, and I also had a bit of a breakdown. As you guys can see, I destroyed my headlight. So right now I'm on the hunt for another headlight for Layla, and I know I look crazy and did an edge up or just a whole haircut in itself. So in this video, got a Integra that me and Presto is putting back together. The problem with this Integra is that I'm gonna just call it the poor Integra. We're gonna change it up. We're pretty much gonna turn this into this. So hope you guys stay tuned. And also, so you guys see I got the intercooler in here. About to bring her to the shop. I'm trying to get the motor put in her. Stay tuned. This poor Integra just took the head off, man. All right, so for one, you guys see JD front conversion, white. Body's not bad at all. I even like damn, will he possibly sell the shell to me? The shell is in good shape. Just needs some paint, a little bit of body work, no rust. So 2 days ago, I was here finishing up my motor over there, doing the drain and everything else. I wish I had my camera with me. It has sludge on the rockers. Cylinder 2 and 3, we did a compression test. Cylinder 1, 60 psi. Cylinder 2, like 21. Cylinder 3, about 35. So we didn't even try number 4. You guys should have seen the fuel injector connectors. It was horrible. I don't know who did them injectors, who did the harness, the splicing. It was really, really bad. I had water inside the head. Shift linkage was hanging. It wasn't bolted in. It was a lot. It was zip ties everywhere. Oh, also the intercooler was literally zip tied to right here.
Yeah, I seen that.
That's where the zip tie was hanging at for the intercooler.
Over here.
Yep.
It was holding the radiator.
Zip ties everywhere. It was this car was sponsored by the zip tie company.
It was sponsored by AutoZone.
Yeah.
The zip tie kings.
Somehow take this swap out. It don't got a grinder because the whole exhaust is welded all the way back. It's 2024. Who does that anymore? Take everything off the firewall. Gonna sand the engine bay down. Well, I'm gonna sand the engine bay down. I'm gonna try my best. But yeah. So you guys gonna just sit back and watch the fun. Bro, look at this. Like what, bro? I mean, if it works, it works. But damn, what the hell? All right, so I'm using my ball joint tool to get the ball joint out of the control arm, right? Man, look at this. Ball joint was coming out, so clearly there was never a C-clamp put on this ball joint at all. Crazy.
Alright, so no disrespect to the owner, but whoever put this bitch together didn't like you. They really didn't like you. I'm just saying, after we're done, it'll be done right. I'm just saying.
Yeah, this was bad. Presto, you want to give him a rundown on how this motor was, how this whole thing was?
What's that? He didn't even break it down. He just said it straight up.
If there was a definition of fucked up, of a fucked up build, this car would be right next to the word in the dictionary.
Yeah. This would be the meaning.
This is the definition.
It won't even be any words. It's gonna be a picture.
Exactly. Exactly.
This would have been the definition of a child's first build.
Yeah.
By
Literally.
himself with no instructions, just guessing.
Just toss the shit together.
Just hoping it worked.
They love zip ties for sure though.
Zip ties.
They love zip ties.
Sponsored by AutoZone.
And O'Reilly's. Push this bed outside, degrease it, let it soak, power wash it, bring it back in and start sanding a little bit. Bag sanded down, got the cowl off. All just is sanded with 320 right now. Take the back mount off. I didn't realize that's still up there. Nice and smooth with the 320 all the way through. Start masking things off and then do some primer. This is exactly why I don't have wipers right now, because the connected to the wiper motor, mine just gone. This whole shit is gone.
So how you wipe your glass?
I just don't drive it in the rain. It's only a 5-pin connector or shit.
Yeah.
I don't know why I thought it was like an 8-pin connector or something. And so, got the wax and tire remover. Got 3 cans of primer, some etching primer for like the bare metals, sanding primer. Got the 2 cans of white. All of this minus the clear coat right now, and it came up to about $78.64. So yeah, you get your engine bay looking nice for about $80. It all comes down to the prep work. That's all it comes down to. See, this is why you clean off the surface before you try to paint. This is literally only from this area right here. Big shout out to FCP Euro. When they ship stuff out, they have so much, they give you so much paper. So much paper for packaging. So big shout out to FCP Euro for being a part of this project. What I'm about to do next, I'm gonna just put some water to run under here so it doesn't like stain the floor or anything. It doesn't stain as bad. The water pretty much would catch the overspray. And let it sit, sand it down, spray a little bit more. Just pretty much get all the primer even all the way through.
1 hour later.
That's what I used to look like.
Let me see if I find this picture. Here, better picture.
Oh, focus. There we go. Oh, that was nice. God damn, that looked good. That's how we got the harnesses hung up. Made a chain of zip ties. Chain gang. Got the idea from this Integra. Zip tie was holding this car up anyway, so. Same brand from O'Reilly, but it's 2K clear. Same stuff I use in the hatch. It all matters in the prep. That's all it come down to.
It's the prep.
Prep work, that's all it takes. Can't just spray, you just can't put paint over whatever and then just think it's gonna stick. All right, here's the headlights. I'm gonna bring these home. Wet seeing these 2 things down. Maybe with 800 this time, starting off 800, then 1,000, then 15, then buff it. And see how these come out in the end. Because these things definitely have seen better days. But yeah, also for those that don't know how you can distinguish a Type R with an SIR. Type R's got this right here, HID ballast. SIR just got the line going straight through like mine. But I prefer the SIR because focus just went haywire. The reason why I prefer the SIRs is because once these ballasts once they go bad, good luck finding another one. SIRs, you can just use your regular low beam 9006 and you good to go. I got the apartment, got the underpiece that I needed because mine was all messed up. The clips had broke off of it. Also, I put the wide bin back up here on top. I want to get a new dashboard because all right here is all broken. I want to put a radio back in here. That's what I really want to do, and actually put speakers in here because this car has no speakers. At least I think it has no speakers. It might not have no speakers. I just want this interior to be back together. I got the fabric for up here, the bright blue fabric, which I still want to get my blue bright seats. I'm gonna put these seats in the hatch. That's what I'm gonna do. That's the plan. So trying to get her ready to be able to drive again. One major thing I really do need also is a door handle. Typical Integra with the broken door handles. I didn't know you had this big ass shit.
Either. I'm down the street.
Oh really? Alright, and sometime went by, clearly the sun came out, but finally got the throttle body. I didn't get to record any of it. My camera died, and none of my battery was charged, so I wasn't going to sit around and wait. Finally got the K290 up here with a factory style TPS, once again, finally. So when this one goes, I could just do a warranty replacement and put the new one on. I had an issue with the map sensor also as well. I don't know what happened. The wires was like all chewed up at the connector. It's been a while, so I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you guys can hear it. And something happened on the highway. I also got the new flex pipe on, got the muffler realigned so that can sit pretty flush and flat now like it's supposed to. Back up and running, boys. Let's see what Beanie got going on over here. Just gave him my fuel pump. We're trying to get this thing started. This fuel pump I was saving for the hatch.
Still not producing gas.
Still not? You sure you even got gas in here? Or enough gas?
It says I have a full tank when this is running. Right now it says less than half. Watch. She's going up.
I say trying to just actually get more gas and put in here. Probably could be reading off or something. But there's no way going through 3 fuel pumps and the one I know that I have that I know that is actually working and it's still not producing any gas so it fucking come up.
See, for you rich folks who all you gotta do is jump in the car, run to the gas station and put some gas in the car. Unfortunately for people like me who had to pay for every part that I got. I don't have gas money right now. You got a gas thing?
I believe I do somewhere.
Somewhere. In my luck, it'll be at your mom's house, in the basement somewhere.
No, oh shit, it's in a Civic, but that's in Wallingford.
I told you it was somewhere. 3 fuel pumps, a head scratcher, not understanding why this car doesn't want to stay running when it's got everything plugged in. Dash says it has a full tank, but from what we inspect, it ain't got no gas in it.
I was saying that yesterday, like you sure it actually got gas in it? pretty low in there, buddy.
Well, now we understand why it rained for about an hour and then decided to go brop, 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 brop. Because I was out of gas.
Once again, Hispanic people don't listen to
No, you told me it was a map sensor.
No,
you told me it was 3 other things.
But then I also did say yesterday, you sure you got gas in it?
I think you did ask me that yesterday.
Yeah. Yep. Go all the way up. Damn, that shit just went all the way up.
Right.
Yep, battery.
Battery's dead.
Yeah, but it shut up when I plug the map sensor back in. Alright, so I'm gonna get ready to close this video out. Did a lot of progress on this Integra right here. Got the fuel system on. Got the flex fuel sensor on. Fuel filter right there. This Integra is getting the works. Ended up getting the DC5 Creations battery tray, well, battery relocator bracket. Since he got that, this intercooler wasn't working with it. So what he did, pretty much you just shave this off and turn it pretty much into like half a back door. It's coming along really, really nicely, and I'm proud of both of us, me and Presto. You guys see how I was in the beginning of the video, and look how it's turning out now. Hopefully next video, the car should be all set and ready to go. Got the wheel wood, calipers on, brand new stainless steel brake lines going all the way back, all the way through, new lines back here also as well, also for the front. I know y'all want more info on the Civic and what's going on. So pretty much, as you guys seen, we got the swap in here. I decided to do the bottle cover also, do a white with the spark plug cover being gold to kind of match these little JDM thingies. Can't say she's not looking good, bro. She's looking fucking phenomenal, and I am extremely happy and proud of myself. I got the rear T-bracket, which is inside the car. Still I get a back mount, or pretty much just get brand new mounts all the way around. At this point, still need to get a radiator, but intercooler sits pretty snug, and I'm extremely happy on how it's coming out. So if you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.